Hey guys, welcome to this new episode of the video development blog. I'm going to be showing you some of the new stuff that I've been working on. Again, listening to your comments. Thanks for all the YouTubers again. Really helpful. So there's a few things that I've been working on, and this video is going to probably be very short. But let's see. So the first thing is the blinking. Right? A lot of people have mentioned like, oh, I hate the blinking. For us, in the development team, thinking of, well, we need to show somehow that the units produce over time, right? So now the blinking has been done much more in a more subtle way. You see, like the blinking now happens very dim. But if you get something like let's say an apartment block, if you have problems, basically if you are trying to produce resources and the unit cannot produce resources, you're gonna get a blink that it's red, and that's gonna be stronger, right? So it's more of an alert, right? So I made the blinking slightly dimmer for the correct production, and also like I kept it strong when it's actually not producing, right? So it gets your attention, you go, you solve the problem, and you continue. The other thing is that a lot of people have been asking for is some way of slicing, like just showing one layer at a time, right? And I basically built that right now, so I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna just build some sort of tower or something kind of high. Of course, this would some people haven't realized that you can actually cantilever, like you can like overhang quite a bit. So if you go to structured data, you could still do like up to +3. At this point you cannot do anymore, right? But this is totally fine, right? You don't have to have everything blue. This is correct, there's no problem here. This is just telling you there's going to be a point in which you cannot overhang anymore, and this gives you a lot of kind of creative freedom. But let's look at the slicing tools. The slicing tool, I made it here. It has slice up and slice down. So the system calculates automatically how high your building is, and it would just place the slice plane always on top of that. But you can push it down with J, right, or using this button here. So you see, and the plane will disappear, and you can just cut down and disappear, or cut up and see everything again. This helps if you are in one layer playing with, let's say you want to just get in there, fix a few things, and there's something that you forgot, or something got broken, decayed, and then you just go back up. The issue will be also, and this is one of the challenges of the game as a game mechanic, is that when something decays, you could say, okay, I'm just going to delete it, but you cannot delete something that has something on top of it, right? So you have to decay downwards, right? So there's a bit of there's something at stake, especially if you have a large building. We will have a mechanic that will allow you to recover decayed tiles, and that's got to do with a specific resource, but I don't want to spoil anything so far. Right now what you're seeing, this is the alert system telling you that things are about to explode, right? So this kind of constant blinking means that you're in the last point of decay, right? So we've been getting a lot of feedback as well, saying like, I want some warning before things decay. I want some warning, and this is the warning that we're giving right now. Let me know if you think it's too strong or too subtle. I think it's pretty strong. It just gives a bit of sense of urgency to the moment before destruction. But hopefully, if you have any ideas of how to do it better, please let me know. The other thing is that anything that decays will decay things around it as well, right? So if you have a tile that decays a little bit, it will decay like will add points of decay or things around. So you should be careful, because you could trigger a chain reaction, and that could be pretty bad or pretty fun. We'll see. Okay, that's it for me, guys. Thanks for watching, and again, if you like the game, subscribe. Oh, maybe just a few announcements. We did release the Steam page. Let's see. Um, well, I'll put the description in the link below. But the Steam Stores page is up, and the community page is up as well. So go and check that out. And yeah, we'll continue updating as we go. I'll see you guys soon.